Hello everyone. So tonight what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and add a domain, a PC, sorry, a server in this case, to the domain that we have. And now the domain that we have is cagu.com, and we want to go ahead and add this server onto the domain. So a couple of things that you need to know is you want to make sure the server is running the right edition so that it can be joined to the domain. So you want to check your licenses. You want to come down here. The easiest way to do that is just type in activation settings, and you will see Windows is activated, and you want to see Windows Server 2022. What you do not want to see is your license is not activated or some kind of error message telling you that you have a problem with your license. The other thing you want to do is you want to come down here and check the network. It's connected. You also want to check the virtual machine manager. In this case, we are running Hyper-V, and we want to check the virtual machine manager, make sure that we are running the same network as the domain controller. So once we confirm all of those, we want to come down here and type in system DM, that's CPL, and we can see that it's on a different domain and the name of this PC is different. We want to go ahead and change that. We want to set up this PC so that we can go ahead and use it for our Exchange infrastructure, for our non-production environment that we are setting up. So in this case, CAGU, and I'm going to go ahead and type in mail, and I'm going to go ahead and type in the name of the domain and go ahead and hit OK. If everything checks out and we did our due diligence to make sure everything is ready, we should see this screen. And now we go ahead and type in the domain admin, and we have the credentials for the domain admin. And once we have that, we want to go ahead and hit OK. Once we see this, welcome to cagu.com domain, we want to go ahead and hit OK, and it will ask us to reboot. And we go ahead and say reboot, and so we go ahead and do that and close, and it would restart. Okay, so now we are back. Of course it's gonna say that, and I'm gonna go ahead and log in with my domain administrator account, and I'm gonna see if I can remember that. 1 second. Alright, we're able to get that. And while that's loading, so now I'm going to do two things. I'm going to show you that this server is now on the domain, and I'm going to confirm that by looking at the domain controller. And then the other thing I'm going to do is I'm also going to show you how to confirm if the actual device is updating with the correct policy. So I had set up a policy in the domain controller that would effectively correct the time for any device that joins the domain. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this and come down here, start the service, hit OK, go manager, make sure OK, it won't show up next time. So I'm just going to go to my command prompt, and I'm going to go to gp update /force, and that should essentially change the time. So while that's working, I'm going to go ahead and grab my domain controller to confirm that this system has been added to a little bit too fast there. Confirm that this system has been added to the domain controller. Alright, try and shrink it a little bit so it fits, everything fits into the screen. And you want to open the Active Directory users and computers, and then you pretty much go to computers, and so you're going to see the server we just made. So now I'm going to go ahead and move it to an OU that I have already made for this specific purpose, and I'm going to put it in servers. And there we have it, it's in servers. So now the other way you want to confirm that you are on the right domain, obviously, is from the server itself. And you can do this by running systemdem.cpl, and it should in fact show you the domain right here. So that is how to add a server to a domain. My name is Clint. Thank you for watching.